Hi, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today we're going to be baking chocolate cake from the video game Old School RuneScape. So let's grab your pot of flour and jump right in.
In a bowl, sift your flour, caster sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda and salt. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit, fan bake. Once it's done, whisk it until it's a powdered chocolate look. Now we add oil, vanilla essence, white vinegar and cooled coffee. Then we whisk it together, but make sure you don't over whisk it or it will be too dense. In a 23cm springform cake tin or multiple smaller ones, pour your cake mixture and then transfer to the oven for 30 to 45 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. While the cake is in the oven, it's time to make the chocolate ganache. So, in a water bath, add your chocolate and wait for it to start melting. Then add your cream. If you're like me and done it this way, the chocolate will cool down as the cream is cooler than the chocolate. Just keep stirring until it is smooth and no chocolate chunks remain. Now the chocolate ganache is smooth, put it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours or until it's firmish. With the cake done, leave it in the tin for 5 minutes and then remove it from the springform tin and place it on a wire rack to cool completely, which I've found takes approximately 3 hours. With a bread knife, cut your cake in half. A good trick I've found is with a thin chopping board, slide it between the two halves and then you'll be able to remove the top so the base is then exposed. Grab your chocolate ganache from the fridge and with an electric beater on high setting, beat it until it's a stiffish mixture. With the chocolate ganache, liberally spread it over the base, making sure it is thick and even. Now carefully place the top back on the iced base and then liberally ice the top with the rest of the ganache. I hope that you've enjoyed learning how to make the chocolate cake from Old School RuneScape with me today. Don't forget to leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see made next, along with hitting that subscribe button to stay informed when the next video comes out of the oven. So, until next time, enjoy the kitchen.